Want to turn boring handwriting into something aesthetic? So hi friends, today I'm going to show you 4 super fun lettering styles like hearts, blocks, Disney and stripe. These ideas will make your journals, notes or handmade cards look amazing. And the best part, they are beginner friendly and so easy to try. So first up we have stripe lowercase style. Write simple lowercase letters. Draw diagonal lines inside each letter at a 45-degree angle. Leave some letters solid and make some stripe for contrast. Here's the quick tip. Don't make the lines too close or it will look messy. This one is perfect for journals and gives such an aesthetic touch. Can you believe you only need one pen for this design? So this one is the cutest. Write clean uppercase letters. Add a tiny heart on top of each letter. Now color the hearts in darker shades and keep the letters light. Here's a quick tip. Keep the hearts small and equal in size so it looks neat. Now next up is block alphabet. Powerful and block letters. Step 1. Draw the skeleton of each letter using simple straight lines. Step 2. Thicken the strokes to make rectangular block shapes. Now step 3. Add a shadow on the right side to give it a 3D effect. This style is perfect for headings or notes. It instantly grabs the attention. There we go, a perfect block alphabet. Now let's add a touch of childhood magic, Disney alphabet. Step 1. Keep the letters rounded, avoid sharp edges. Step 2 is add 2 tiny Mickey ears on the top of each letter. Step 3. Use bright colors and add white highlights with a gel pen for that Disney vibe. Here's a tip. Keep all the ears same size for a clean look. It's so simple yet looks like it's printed straight from a Disney card. Now you all tell me which style was your favorite. Drop it in the comments below. And if you enjoyed these lettering ideas, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel because I post more easy and creative calligraphy tutorials every week. Hit that bell icon too, so you never miss the magic. These ideas looks complicated, but it's actually super easy once you try it. And also, your handwriting is your personality, so why not make it beautiful? watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.